Now, most people have already seen these kinds of deals, like $65 for an iPhone, $140 for your mother's first child, but still, it is a great deal, and sometimes it looks really good, but most times I don't buy them because I actually don't have the money or it really isn't that interesting. But one day, this iPhone SE deal came along, and I thought, what the heck? This is the coolest thing ever for $65. And then my young little brain's thinking, oh, damn, I should probably get one. Because everyone's getting one, because there's a fire sale for the iPhone SE where it came up for $250. I thought to myself, I don't have $250, but if I have $65, an iPhone SE could be mine, and I can shoot videos in beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 4K if I want it. And that's what I did. I clicked on the link and I was sent to this page. Reconditioned iPhone SE 32 gig rose gold. It is not a great first impression, honestly. It's just a page. It's just some wireless company trying to shed their own stock. And I get that. That's basically how these deals happen. Just a wireless company trying to get new customers. And so I scrolled down. And the retail price, yes, it is $69, so I decided to add to cart. And then my stupid brain thought that you actually have to put on a plan because, it clearly says here, data plan required. So what I do? I just clicked the retail price thing, add to cart, and then just picked the cheapest one. And then I click continue, and then I added it to cart. And 3 days later, I got this package. And here it is. I mean, I didn't really expect it to arrive that early, and it's only a few days after that. And really, truth be told, the FedEx guy told me that they actually paid extra to request a direct signature, so they do care about this to a certain extent. So let's get to cracking this thing open. Actually, the box is, if you shake it, you feel like it's not really filled, so, just a symbol of a very empty box. Our job is not quite done here, fellas. Feeling Apple Watch notification telling me to stand up more. Okay, so yes, it is indeed not very full. Get this bag of material and get this box out of the way. A very small box. Alright, so it doesn't look like it's made by Apple. It's a very small box. So it's reconditioned by someone else. It is cheap after all. And oh my goodness. Oh man. I'm gonna have a field day with the censoring, but here you go. There's the adapter, so a wall adapter of course, and a USB cable. I have no idea if these are actually used or not. I think they're actually new. Yeah, no scratches or anything. Okay, this one's probably used. You can see the pins. Yeah, definitely used. But let's look at the iPhone. So actually, I was a stupid idiot. I realized I don't actually have to buy a plan. But they do give you this piece of paper. Allows you to do the straight talk plan. But of course, I'm never actually going to do it because my attention is on this iPhone. So let's take a look. And actually, I brought with me this 5S that I have. So let's open this. See what kind of device we have here. And let's see if this device has really any scratches here. Oh, yep, my phone's on a tripod. Nope, no scratches really. Looks new. And really surprised because this phone, this unit itself is really only $65. So the button has this little film on there, which we will remove. Does the back look fine? The back looks surprisingly decent. It has a very nice condition. Please charge your battery for at least 5 hours before using your phone, and do not remove your SIM card it provided. Guess it's for the old people. I don't really know how the battery works, so is it charged? Oh, it is. So charge your battery for around 5 hours. This notice. I thought it was completely depleted, but it's not. And it's a new phone. Surprisingly, it looks new. It's reconditioned, but I really can't see any scratches here. Yeah, with the iPhone you can just tap the focus, which is what I'm using to recording this. And yeah, it looks great. So it's been restored, and actually I'm gonna check the serial online to see if it's actually used. So I'll set this up, and then we'll be back. So alright, the iPhone SE is completely set up, so get started. And it already has iOS 12 installed by the looks of it. You can tell from the status bar and the wallpaper that it is an iOS 12 product. And so comparing that to the iPhone SE on the right now, which I've been using for a million years, because this phone has been with me since 2013. It is one of the best phones of its time, and people love the iPhone SE for what it is. Now, of course, let's take a look at the backs. So you can see they just look identical, and I think they even carry the same weight. It really is rose gold, but I'm really impressed with how good the quality of it is. I came in expecting, well, number one, it's not Apple reconditioned, it's not Apple refurbished, so there's bound to be some scratches. Maybe it did their best, maybe it's just stock, but really no scratches whatsoever, and still it's really good speed and really fast. It's new, and I actually checked the serial. It is indeed, yeah, it's been a valid purchase date, but still I think it's still under protection. But yeah, this is actually a decent deal. To answer the clickbait question that I have on my thumbnail, it is really worth $65. However, I actually double checked, and to answer your question, you do have to purchase a plan. There's no option not to purchase a plan, but even then it's only $35 more. But this is literally $100 for, if you pass it to me, I would convince you that it's new. And because there is no scuffs, no scratching, and it performs very well. All right, so yeah, basically, let's do a couple of quick tests to see what opens faster. I don't think they actually matter that much. So for example, if I launch something like Notes, you can see it does launch faster, and even though on both phones, and this is new by the way, and so it just opens faster. And so the A9 processor, it's a lot. Remember, this is an iPhone 6s jammed into an iPhone, so technically I'm getting a 4K camera for $65, and you have an entire phone within. And so you can use it as a phone, of course, but also it's a great 4K camera. And if I can drill into settings here, camera. And yes, indeed, this is the real deal, an SE 4K at 30 frames per second. So this is a legit iPhone SE that you can buy for $65. And sure, you have a plan and it might be locked, but come on. Like, in this day and age, there's tons of options to see. Actually, what's the iOS version that they have? I know it's iOS 12. What's the version? 12.1.1. Okay, so 12.1.1. Pretty cool, I guess. I would say it is pretty dope, and certainly worth it. But yeah, if you go to the site now, they only sell a 32 gig version, which is still twice as more as this, and it only comes in rose gold. But still, it is a sick deal, and I have a mod on my Discord that wants an iPhone. Go get it, because yeah, hear it from me. This is really one of the best deals for an iPhone at this moment. It's only legit. Like, I legitimately bought one just to see if it's legit. And it is legit. So go ahead, buy one. And you saw it on camera, so you'll probably get the same thing. Again, I don't work for them. I don't even know that this company existed before this deal. But I think it's pretty damn safe to say that, you know, it is a worthwhile deal. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is quite a weird video, but there's gonna be more videos like this in the future. It's just I'm still trying to experiment, trying to see what works and what doesn't work. There's actually quite a few video ideas that have been floating around. I know I'm just mumbling jumbling because I can't wait to actually try out the iPhone SE because, you know, everyone knows that this is quite the sick 4-inch phone. But yeah, that'll be it from me for now, and have fun. Okay, if you liked the video, please hit the big subscribe button down below. Also, if you want to join the Discord, links down below as well. I'll leave you to it. Bye.